There's a smile. There's a smile.
Look how big she looks on that thing.
She's like, this
She's like a toddler already.
Who's this?
Decide to come in where it's warm?
Yeah.
His coat is still on.
Hey, you.
Yeah, that's fine.
There's the grandpas.
Are you walking?
She cruises. She doesn't like grandpa very much. He's very loud.
Oh, I'm used to seeing a biker.
Oh.
So he's gonna try to hold me. I know it.
Where's your clock?
Right there. You have to be somewhere?
I gotta leave in an hour.